Are you worried about losing your QuickBooks data? Today, I'm going to show you how to back up all your important financial information quickly and securely. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create a safe backup so you never lose critical data. First, open your web browser and go to the QuickBooks website. Click on the Sign In button at the top right corner and enter your account credentials. Once you're in, head to the Settings menu. Again, it's in the top right corner. In Settings, look for Export Data and click on it. This is where QuickBooks allows you to create backups or move your data into different formats. You'll see a list of data types, everything from company information to reports and lists. Simply toggle on the items you want to back up. Next, click Export to Excel. Your selected data will download directly to your computer as an Excel file. Even if you don't have Excel installed, the file itself serves as a secure backup that you can access anytime. And just like that, you've successfully backed up your QuickBooks data. Remember, creating regular backups is key to protecting your business information. Make it a habit to repeat this process so your data is always safe and up to date. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, check out our other videos for more tips to keep your business running smoothly. See you in the next one.